So, in this video, I'm going to show you what to do if the speaker is not working in your LG G6. If your speaker is not working, the first thing you want to check is if you have volume enabled. Simply use the volume buttons and then the arrow to check if different volume settings are actually set up high enough to hear them. You can also see that in settings, sound and notification, then volume. So you make sure all the settings are set sufficiently high. If, however, your volume still does not work, you could try looking at the speaker to see if it's maybe clogged or anything is stuck in there. It's these three holes right here. As you can see, if they are, if there is something in them, you could try taking it out with some, with a soft brush. Just make sure you don't put anything metallic in there. Make sure you don't stick anything in there too hard as to not damage it. Another thing you could try is to check if maybe you have some Bluetooth devices connected, and you could try turning off Bluetooth. If you don't see it here, you can go into settings, networks, and in here make sure Bluetooth is disabled or any sort of a device is disconnected to make sure that audio isn't being rerouted to any Bluetooth devices. The next thing you can try to do is to enter safe mode to rule out third-party interference. Simply press and hold the power button, and press and hold on the power off option, and then press turn on to enter safe mode. After a while of waiting, it's going to reboot into safe mode. After waiting, it's going to turn back on. You'll know you're in safe mode by the safe mode text right here. You can then unlock your device. This will use a bit of battery, so we're going to have to finish this quickly. If this doesn't work in safe mode, you might want to look into settings. In settings, go into general, then well, as you saw, restarting your phone may consume quite a lot of battery, but regardless, as I'm going to continue, you can go into settings. You could potentially go into about phone, here update center, then software update, and then check now for update, but it's highly unlikely that you'll find anything as the update servers have been taken down a few years ago, since the last update has been given in 2020 or 2019, depending on the version of the device you may have. But if all of this does not work, you could potentially perform a factory reset, which you can do in backup and reset. In here, factory data reset, and as you can see, you will need your battery above 30%, and you will need to remember the account that you have on your phone, because otherwise you will not be able to set up your phone without this account. And well, if you have the proper conditions, you can press on reset phone and then continue on. After that, you're going to have pretty much the same thing as with the first setup of your phone, with just a mandatory need to log into the personal account, as you can see, the one that shows up right here. But if everything here fails, you may have to take your phone to a service center to have it looked at. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.